Beyond City Limits meet right now. My homie just hit the sideshow and then came straight to the meet. But we ain't here for that. We're here for the claim build. Okay. Got that chip in favor. What the fucking spaceship? Get your car detailed in this motherfucker. Motherfucker got that raccoon tail on here. You know the vibes. What the hell? That's the engine is running off of? Bro, he running off Modelo.
Where's the coolant?
You don't need that. It's air cool. So the driver is 6'1". You sit in on your feet in the back here. Crisscross applesauce style. That's nuts. Seen this from the last meet. Let's see if anything's different here. I like how he has an axle in the back. The Hydra's pretty sick, but I'm pretty sure is that a fucking axle? Let's see. Probably going through them all the time. It's the Rocket Bunny. We got the ticking time bomb here. The turbo in the back. Some more sewer action. Old school Cobra. Lamborghini. NSX. R8. He's cute, huh? This shit looking way person. Got the two gems. Homie making sure you got some gas in this car, I guess. Homie with L truck. Oh, got the whole suspension in the back. This thing is wet. L65 LT. Looks like they're heading that right now. Yo, what the fuck? What is that, yo? Is that a Frozone? Holy shit, what the fuck? You got the toys too? That's crazy, bro. What's up, bro?
Have a good one, man.
Yeah, have a good one. That's hella funny. S13, little hatch. With a little over fender action on this. Got the wide body on the Porsche. That thing's looking wet. Wide body spec wheels. Look, there's a 360 camera on this where it goes stupid. This is.
Yes. Yeah. I want to say it's $295 in the front. I just because I don't have my glasses. It doesn't have it up here.
Miatas with the Willwood brakes. Got the cutout, or I guess this is the headlight. This thing is rattling. But this thing looks like a lot of fun. That cardboard arrow is crazy. But I'd be surprised. I mean, I'm not going to be surprised if it actually works. Got the boy KJ here. Make sure to check him out. One of the best rappers in the Bay. No exaggeration. Homie's been really on top of the game. Finally got his shot. This thing is sick. Like, look at the quality. Like, damn.
Alright, my guy.
See ya, bro. Woo. I look, you want to hear the startup because my boy's been building this. Got the little hex on the tails. And I'm pretty sure the thing moves. I kind of want to see it fly by. High key feeling this Subaru in the red. Level 240. That's something or. Damn, son. Interior in the Datsun is crazy. So we got one of the biggest car meets. Holy shit, what the hell is going on there? And we about to get some motherfucking free clothes by driving through the middle of this crowd. Wait, what? Wait, this ain't the Mustang. Hold up. We're just gonna drive down the street in front of all of these people. And I just got done editing the video. Hopefully you guys are enjoying what you're seeing. It's a lot of fun for me to make. Obviously these Beyond City Limit meets are pretty crazy. You could tell just by the sheer amount of people that show up and the cars that you saw. But if you have any recommendations as far as content you want to see, go ahead and let me know in the comments. Make sure to like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Yo, what the fuck? What is that, yo? Is that a Frozone? Holy shit, what the fuck?